Yo yo yo! JAKE! Daddy Jake here and welcome to my YouTube channel! Yo yo yo! JAKE! Daddy Jake here and welcome to my YouTube channel! Yo yo yo! Daddy Jake here and welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, it's unboxing time. For today's video, we have here another box. This is Adidas Yeezy Boost 350. Let's see what colorway inside of this box. So without further ado, let's get started! Yo yo yo! We have the Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 Bred colorway. The color of this is prime knit, full black on the upper. We have the black lace. And then the red color of SPLY350. At the back, we have the pull tab with the red line dotted here. And then translucent on the midsole and the outsole with the Boost technology. Insole, we have with the black insole. We have black insole with white Adidas logo and Yeezy brand. Here. This is the Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 Bred colorway. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up. Leave your comment down below, and if you're not yet a subscriber, please do not forget to subscribe and click the tiny bell button to notify you on my new video. Thank you for your time and attention. See you on my next vlog. Smile, love, and peace. Bye-bye. Stay safe, everyone. Yo, yo, yo!